नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण जो टॉपिक बघणार आहोत तो आहे होमोलॉगस सिरीज. होमोलॉगस सिरीज याचा अर्थ त्या ठिकाणी काय होतो, याचा मिनिंग जो आहे हा होमो या शब्दाचा अर्थ होतो सेम, लॉगस या शब्दाचा अर्थ होतो रिलेटेड आणि सिरीज याचा अर्थ होतो त्या ठिकाणी चेन. म्हणजेच सेम रिलेटेड चेन म्हणजे सारख्या कंपाऊंड जे आहेत यांची एक सिक्वेन्स त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला तयार करायची आहे. अकॉर्डिंग टू डेफिनेशन, so see that any that organic family which are that increasing manner of its molecular weight, it should be arranged in the sequence manner, and if it is to be first member and its next member is differ by that the methylene unit, that is CH2 unit, or it is called as that 14 units, then it is simply called as that it's a homologous series is that. In every organic compound and every family, it containing this homologous series is there. Just simple example is that suppose we can take that in alcohol family. So in case of this alcohol family, that first member is that CH3OH, and CH3OH is called as that it's a methyl alcohol. And see that the next member of this family, it is CH3, then CH2 and this OH. It is called as that ethyl alcohol. Its next member is again that is CH3, then CH2, again this CH2 and OH. Again next member that is CH3, CH2, CH2, then CH2 and this OH. So these three carbon containing, it is called as that it is a propyl alcohol is there. And next one it is called as that it's a four members are there, so it is a butyl alcohol. So what happens here? So these are arranged in that according to molecular weight and sequential manner will be there. So in this case, that's methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol, that CH2 group which is to be the existing and extra will be there. So differ by that CH2 unit. Then next one, ethyl and propyl alcohol, one CH2 unit which is to be more here. And in the propyl and butyl alcohol, again this one CH2 group which is to be exists in this nature. So see that this differ by that CH2 group. Then it's a molecular weight, that is CH2 group, it is a 14 units are there. So this is the idea of this homologous series. In that any type of this organic compound you should take on that, and thus such difference will be there. It also for that amines also, it is alkanes also, then we can get that alkenes also, and then same type of that aldehyde, ketones, carboxylic, whatever it may be, that it containing this homologous type of that series. They said what happens here? So in this case, molecular formula and structural formula in the homologous series is different. Methyl alcohol having this different formula, then ethyl alcohol having different formula. The physical properties of that homologous, that each member of this homologous series is called as a homolog. So this each homolog having that the physical property is different, but still it's a chemical property which is to be that similar in case of that. It's the same type of that functional group and same type of that general formula which is exists in that all type of this homologs are there. So this is the basic idea of this. Now similarly, that next it is related to that is alkyl group. Now this idea of this alkyl group is like that. Alkyl group is obtained from that the alkanes. And say that suppose that any one hydrogen which is to be replaced of this alkane, then forming group is called as that alkyl group. And alkane in which that last word any is replaced by that Y group is there. So suppose for I can say that it is alkane, then one hydrogen which is to be replaced, then it will be converted into that alkene. Correct? So this any word is replaced by this YL will be there. So for example, suppose that CH4, this is the first member of this alkane family, that is methane is taken, and see that this H is replaced, then this forming group is dash CH3. So methane is converted into that methyl is there. Similarly, that C2H6, this is called as that ethane. And this ethane in which that H is replaced by this dash C2H5, and this is called as that ethyl group will be that. So alkane is converted into that alkyl group by that the replacement of that one hydrogen atom should be there, or reduction of that one hydrogen atom will be there. So in the 2 years maximum that methyl, ethyl, propyl group which is to be present in that the given compounds are there. Again one topic that related to is that is types of carbon atom. Now we know about that the valency of this carbon is 4, and see that this valency of carbon which is to be satisfied by that maybe hydrogen, maybe carbon, or maybe that another type of that atoms are there. So according to this, there are 4 types of carbon atom in this nature which is to be exist into it. So suppose I can say primary carbon will be there. So say this primary carbon atom is what? So primary, this is 1 degree carbon, it is related to that. So see that one carbon atom, in such carbon, that one carbon atom is attached to that, and is one another carbon atom will be there. We said this attachment will be that one carbon. So CH3, CH3, this simple example is there. So now in this case, CH3 is attached to this adjacent, only single carbon. So it becomes a primary. And similarly, this carbon again it is attached with that CH3. So this CH3. So this both CH3, then it will be getting that it is a alkanes are to be formed, and that why it is a primary type. In secondary it will be given gap. So this carbon which is attached to that another, it is a 2 carbon atoms are there. So simple example I can take that. Suppose this CH3, this CH2 and this CH3. So in this middle carbon what happens here? It's a left hand side also carbon, it's a right hand side also carbon. So it is a 2 carbon containing carbon. So that's why it is a secondary will be there. Now similarly for that the tertiary. So tertiary which is to be containing that 3 carbons are there. So it's the idea behind like this. That is CH3, this C, then CH3, this CH and this CH3. So this middle carbon which contain that left hand side, right hand side and bottom side also there. So this 3 side containing. So it is a tertiary carbon atom are there. Or in the fourth, that carbon having that highest valency, that it containing that 4 carbon atoms are there. So it is a quaternary is there. So that is 4 degrees of temperature. So we can get like this. That is CH3, this C, then CH3, then CH3 and then CH3. So that, so this middle carbon atom is a quaternary because left hand side, right hand side, upper side, bottom side. This all containing that carbon atom. So it is a quaternary type of this carbon atoms are there. So today we are seeing that homologous series, alkyl group as well as these types of carbon atoms will be there. From tomorrow we will start with that the nomenclature of that alkanes. Various types of functional group also there. So we will start with that it is alkane is there. Okay. Thank you.